This is episode 2118 of the Daily Meditation Podcast. I'm Mary Meckley, and here you are getting ready to do one of the most important things you could do for yourself, and that is to give yourself a little more inner stillness today, a little more peace, energy, and clarity. And that could be just what you need. It could be the best, most important part of your day. So I honor you for what you are doing right now. In today's episode, you are going to be guided using an affirmation to help you focus and cultivate inner peace and happiness. And this is an affirmation I encourage you to repeat as you start each day this week. I encourage you to repeat it as you end each day as well. Those are powerful times to repeat an affirmation at the start of your day before there have been too many distractions that come your way, and at the end of your day as you begin to let go of the worries and cares of the day. I also encourage you to repeat this affirmation when you're feeling as though you're lacking throughout your day, as though you need something outside yourself to help you feel better. And this is the theme for this week, with the fourth yama from the ancient book, the Yoga Sutras, written by the sage from India, Patanjali. This is a book that was written somewhere in between the time frame of 500 BC to 200 AD. Sometime during that time frame, it's believed that Patanjali lived at some point during that time and wrote the Yoga Sutras. And he could be the sole author, or others could have helped him write this timeless approach to how to live your life with unity. Unity is what we so badly need in the world today. And when you begin with creating unity within yourself, then you create unity in the world. It begins with us, and we're seeing this more and more. The more interconnected we become in the world, the more we realize how our unique role in the world is absolutely pivotal. We're not relying so much on systems outside of ourselves as we are beginning to realize our own unique connection and power within. The focus for this week's series, Brahmacharya, with the fourth yama, is restraint. It's restraint in a way that conserves your energy and uses it wisely. Brahma is a higher consciousness. And when you focus on your higher qualities, you begin to realize that everything you need is within you. And you can share that with others, and we become unified and connected in helping each other. So as you explore this yama of Brahmacharya, you have a special quest this week. Your challenge is to go on a quest, a restraint quest. This means when you feel you're not enough, or you have this need that you feel can only be fulfilled with something or someone outside you, remember your restraint quest and focus on your higher qualities and your inner strength to meet your needs. So direct your energy, your thoughts, your attention, your words, and your actions towards something positive for yourself each day, rather than giving your energy and your power away. This is a very important quest, and I think you will appreciate that as we go through this pandemic, we're having to rely on ourselves a lot more, especially if you're isolated. Maybe you're alone a lot. Maybe you live alone. When it seems as though there's so much disruption and uncertainty that's out of your hands, know that you are still a part of this process of all that's going on in the world today. You're likely having to meet your own needs more and more. And this can empower you rather than make you feel helpless. Know that you are becoming stronger through this process. So as you focus on your restraint quest this week, meeting your own needs, I encourage you to repeat the affirmation. The affirmation is, peace and happiness are within me. Peace and happiness are within me. If you ask most people what they want most in life, most people will tell you, they've done many studies on this, that they just want peace. They just want to be happy. These qualities are already right there within you. So as you get ready to settle yourself down and meditate today, I'll guide you through this affirmation. An affirmation is a positive statement you repeat to yourself. Know that the full half-hour guided meditations are on the Sip and Om meditation app. You can try the app for 2 weeks, free access to the full app of over 2,000 guided meditation experiences. These are 30-minute meditations. You also get a weekly journal and a guide. So if you want a little more, that's where you can find it. So as you get ready to settle yourself down, begin to notice where you feel tension in your body or within your thoughts. And begin to gently create a little more openness or receptivity in these areas or in these thoughts that cause you tension. And then, when you begin to reach that place of stillness and relaxation, some days it can take longer to get there than others. Make sure your spine is straight and your eyes are closed and gently uplifted. And begin to repeat in a loud voice, engaging your power, your voice. Peace and happiness are within me. Peace and happiness are within me. Notice how you may feel a shift within yourself. You may feel a sense of inner resolve. Now, repeat this affirmation in a whisper. Peace and happiness are within me. Peace and happiness are within me. And notice a subtle shift as you bring this affirmation more deeply within you. Now allow yourself to mentally repeat the affirmation, repeating it as many times as you need to. Meditate as you sit in stillness, absorbing the beautiful sensations you're creating. You are so worth slowing down for.